Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. So here you can see a box, and you must have known by the title of the video that it is going to be an unboxing video of Hoyas. And I ordered few Hoyas last week, and I mean the week before, and they arrived yesterday. I got them from an online seller. I'll put all the description of the seller in the description box. And yeah, so these are my wishlist Hoyas, and I'm so excited to have them. And this is Globulosa, and the other one is Hoya Carry Eye Splash. This one actually is a little fuzzy, and yeah, you might not be able to make out from the video, but if you actually touch it, it has a fuzzy underside, and it has fuzziness on the top as well. And that's Carry Eye Splash. The packaging is quite good. This time there were no damages on the leaf, not even a single leaf dropped, so I'm so happy about it. And they've used thermocol to prevent the soil from spilling out during the transit, and I am just removing the sellotape to remove the thermocol and let the plants be free. And yeah, so this is my purchase for wishlist plants, and super happy to have them in my collection. And yeah, so this is the video. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a like, and if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing for more such planty contents. I'll be posting more of such videos in the coming days, and I'll be doing an updated list of my Hoya collection probably next month. And I'm expecting few Hoyas in the following week. I will be doing a plant swap with my friends, so yeah, that is about it. And look at this pretty little thing here. Even the Venetian on this, the veins of this Hoya, it's very beautiful. It's very distinct, and it makes a beautiful Hoya. So this is the video of unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed this video. See you all next time. Bye bye.